In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a macro in LibreOffice. If you've been working with LibreOffice and want to tailor your macros for more personalized tasks, you're in the right place. Macros can significantly enhance your productivity by automating repetitive tasks, but sometimes you need to tweak them to fit your specific needs. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you can edit your macros with ease. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. This is your starting point for accessing all the powerful tools that LibreOffice provides. Make sure the app is up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security updates, which can be crucial when working with macros. Once LibreOffice is open, the next step is to click on Writer Document. LibreOffice Writer is essentially the word processing component of the suite, and it's where you'll find the options to manage and edit your macros. By opening a Writer document, you're setting the stage to access the tools you need. With your Writer document open, move your attention to the top of the screen and click on Tools. This is where you'll find a variety of options and settings related to your document. The Tools menu is essential because it houses everything related to macros, among other advanced features. If you're not already familiar with it, take a moment to explore what's available there. Within the Tools menu, look for the option labeled Macros. Clicking here will open up a submenu dedicated to all things macros. Macros are essentially sets of instructions that automate your tasks. So this menu is where you begin that automation journey. It's a powerful feature that, once mastered, can save you a lot of time. Now you'll see an option to edit macros. Click on it. This is your gateway to customizing your macro scripts. Now, when you click Edit Macros, you'll be taken to the LibreOffice Basic ID, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to alter the macro scripts using the LibreOffice Basic Programming Language. Editing macros in LibreOffice Basic IDE may seem intimidating if you're new to it, but don't worry. The IDE provides a straightforward interface where you can see the code that makes up your macros. Here, you can make changes to the code, test it, and refine it until it works just the way you want. Make sure to save your changes regularly to avoid losing any progress. And that's it. Following these steps will allow you to edit macros in LibreOffice quickly and efficiently. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with editing and creating macros to suit your specific needs. If you're new to programming, consider looking up some basic tutorials on LibreOffice Basic to get a better understanding of the language. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started on editing macros in LibreOffice. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy macro editing.